Hi, welcome to my kitchen. So, it's the end of summertime. Kids are going back to school. People are taking their final trips, you know what I mean? Before we get into other trips, they're taking like final summer vacations. And something that I like to do in the summertime, really all year round, but summertime, is I love to drink smoothies because they're light, they're refreshing. It's a way to get a lot of nutritional value in one cup, and it's tasty and easy. So I'm gonna go over the recipe for a smoothie that I actually drink pretty regularly. I like Reese's peanut butter cups, you know, the chocolate and the peanut butter, they just do something for me. So instead of eating a Reese's, I try to recreate that taste in my smoothie. So today we're going to make a chocolate peanut butter smoothie. So first things first, you are going to need your base. I'm using water today. I have used coffee, cold coffee. I have used almond milk, oat milk. I've used different bases in the past, but personally, I'm trying to get in more water. So I'm using water as my base. To bring in that creaminess, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add really just like a normal pour that you would put in your coffee. I'm gonna add like a little pour of plant-based coffee cream. I like the taste, it's creamy, not a lot of sugar, the dairy's not there, so it doesn't, you know, affect my digestive system in a negative way. So I'm gonna give myself a little pour of cream, okay? And then I'm gonna add in my chocolate. So I'm specifically using a chocolate protein powder. You would do like whatever is the portion. So if it's a scoop, then do a scoop. If your protein powder is 2 scoops, use 2 scoops. I already have pre-packaged portions, so I'm just gonna pour the chocolate protein powder in there. If you're not a fan of protein powders, you can use powdered chocolate. You can get semi-sweet chocolate powder and you can use that for this recipe. And so I'm gonna pop that in there now. Okay, we have our chocolate flavor. So I have a chopped up banana and I'm gonna add about half a banana to my smoothie, some slices in there. All right. Got that dropped in. Let me just wipe that off my fingers. I'm going to do like a tablespoon of all natural peanut butter. Why do I say all natural? Because less sugar and less sodium, more peanuts. Now I'm just gonna add a little ice so that it's very cold, refreshing. It's more smoothie-ish. And so we've got some ice cubes right here. And again, you just add this to your texture preference. And I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add my blender cap and I'm gonna go and blend my smoothie up and I will be right back with you. Okay, I'm back. Smoothie's all blended. Here we go. So I'm gonna see how it tastes. Oh yeah, just right every time. I mean, doesn't fail to hit the spot. That's good. I waited until this very moment so that I could share my smoothie time with you, and it was well worth the wait. So I hope that was pretty easy to follow. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I definitely want to hear from you, and if there's any recipes that you are interested in or any things that you would like to see on the show. But thank you for joining me here in my family's kitchen, and I'll see you later in the episode.